वेलकम बैक गाइस, माई सेल्फ पीयूष गोयल, कंपनी सेक्रेटरी फ्रॉम जयपुर एंड दिल्ली। और दोस्तों, आज हम इस वीडियो में जानने वाले हैं, अगर आप क्या है उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर एक पार्टनरशिप रजिस्टर करना चाहते हैं यूपी के अंदर, तो आप किस तरीके से रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं। हाउ टू रजिस्टर द पार्टनरशिप फर्म इन द उत्तर प्रदेश, व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड, how to apply for registration of partnership, and how much time it will take for the registration, right? So in this video we will cover all of the process, documentation, and how much time it will take, and how to apply the registration. We will cover all of the process, right? जो पार्टनरशिप रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म है, इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन जो है ऑप्शनल होता है, नॉट कंपलसरी नहीं होता अंडर इंडियन पार्टनरशिप एक्ट, राइट। ये डिपेंड करता है पार्टनर्स पर, उनके ऊपर वॉलेंटरी है। तो इसलिए ये एडवाइजेबल किया जाता है कि पार्टनरशिप हमको जो है रजिस्टर्ड पार्टनरशिप हम रजिस्टर कराना चाहिए, जिससे कि उसे स्पेशल राइट्स एंड बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं। तो अप्लाई करने के बाद जो है आपको एप्लीकेशन का प्रोसेस कैसे रहता है, सबसे पहले आपको फॉर्म 1 में अप्लाई करना होता है विद रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ द स्टेट, यहाँ पर क्या है आपकी फर्म सिचुएटेड है अलॉन्ग विद द प्रेस्क्राइब्ड फीस, और ये साइंड एंड वेरीफाइड होना चाहिए बाय ऑल द पार्टनर्स और डियर एजेंट्स। जो एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म है वो ऑप्टेन किया जाएगा फ्रॉम द रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ फर्म्स, और इट कैन बी डाउनलोडेड फ्रॉम द रेस्पेक्टिव स्टेट रजिस्ट्रार फर्म वेबसाइट, right? Second is the selection of name of partnership firm, right? So first of all you have to decide the name of the partnership firm from which you want to register. The name must be unique and it does not similar or identical to the existing firm name, right? The name should not contain word like emperor, crown, empress, empire, other word which show sanction or approval of government. Third is the certificate of registration. If the registrar is satisfied with the registration application and the documents, he will register the firm in registrar of firms and issue a registration certificate. The registrar of firms contains up to the date of information of all firms. What is the document required for the registration of the partnership? First is the application for registration of partnership form 1, copy, original copy of partnership deed, specimen of affidavit certifying all details mentioned in the partnership deed, PAN card and address proof of partners, PAN card and address of firm, proof of principal place of business. These documents are required for registration of partnership, right? The partner, after that you need to prepare or draft a partnership deed in which mention the rights and duties of partners, profit sharing ratio, duties and liabilities, right? What are the powers and obligations and responsibilities of partners, name of the partnership deed, address of the partnership deed, and capital contribution of the partner, profit and loss sharing ratio of the partners, endorsement or process to be followed on account of retirement, other clause as partners may decide a mutual discussion. Thereafter, checklist for partnership from registration and drafting of partnership deed, minimum 2 members as a partners, maximum of equal or less than 20 partners, right? So this is the process of registration of partnership deed. The process of registration of partnership deed is similar in almost similar in every state, but in some states the process of registration of partnership is offline, and in some states the process of registration of partnership registration is online. So you can register the partnership firm in your state if the process is online and offline. But in online process, the easy to register the partnership firm in the state in which the process is online, and you can file the application and documents along with the application, right? And if the no query is found by the registrar of partnership, right, so then your partnership will be registered, and you can carry on your business as a partnership firm, and you can apply the GST as well as the other registration which is required for your firm. I hope this video is very helpful. Thank you guys for watching this video.